Hello everyone, welcome today. Today on Saturday, June the 12th, 2021. We have here in this puzzle page the additional with extra Sudokus and puzzles. 7 extra puzzles or Sudokus. First one is a letter Sudoku. Second one a Sudoku with 2 stars. Third one, Sudoku with 3 stars, and the fourth one, Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So total of 7 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve today. Yes, today, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles of this puzzle page. So today 4 extra Sudokus, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles, 3 Sudokus will be left. Okay, but first we will solve this 3-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2936, I believe. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. 3-star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? 4 nines. Wow. So let me, and 4 fives. Okay. So let me see. Yeah. All right, the 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. I will go to the 5. Yeah, let me go to the 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5 now. Oh, yeah. Alright. 4. How about 8? 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this row, so no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes, 3 and a 4. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 6. Alright, 2 and 6. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. All right. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. All right. How about these 2 boxes in this row? Here we have a 2 and a 6, so the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. How about 3? Yeah, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3. No. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Okay, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 3, 6, and the 7 is missing, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is 5. Actually, there are 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. All right. 7, 6. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. Yeah. The 9 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Let me see. 9, 7, 6, 8 should be here. 8 and 3. Yeah, we have a pair. 8 and a 3 in this column, 8 and a 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 and 3 should be in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 9 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box is going to be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 6. Look, 3 and a 6. Oh no, this is 2 and a 6. Okay, I thought maybe we have a pair. Incorrect. Oh, right. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So the only place for the 2 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Let me see. Here also 4, 5, 6. Well, need to wait. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5 we have here. So this box cannot be 4, 5. The 4, 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4, 5. So 1 digit left. Should be the number 6. Alright. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Alright. So we have now 2 boxes left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 are missing in the last column. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Yeah, we have a pair there, 3 and a 6. 2 numbers left in this column, 5 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. This box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the first row for the number 4, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We see here there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. And yeah, for 3 stars Sudoku, actually I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 40 minutes? Well, is this really a 3 stars? No, I think rather a 1 star, because I'm faster than 15 minutes for a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku we have. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.